New construction home only across the street from Willoughby Bay and 1 block to the Chesapeake Bay. Open floor plan with well-appointed kitchen with quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets with soft close drawers/doors and dovetailed drawers with a large island and walk-in pantry, open to the family room with a gas fireplace and deck off of the front of the home. A large dining room and powder room rounds at the first floor with luxury vinyl plank for durability. The master with ensuite, tiled shower with a custom glass door, 2 walk-in closets and balcony, along with 2 additional bedrooms. A hall guest bathroom and laundry room are on the 2nd floor, and the 3rd floor is the 4th bedroom with a walk-in closet. Huge storage room on the 1st floor adjacent to the 2-car attached garage.